Hey guys, here's another video documenting my journey to restore the Boss Shinoda Mustang. In this video, I'm going to finish installing the trim on the car. I installed the front and rear fender trim as well as the side exhaust skirts. As you can see, I came prepared with all the fasteners and screws I could possibly need to finish the job. And, of course, a cold beer. Let's get started. About a quarter way into the job, I got a visit from an amazing human being, my niece, Sammie. Here she is, dressed up in her Army ROTC uniform. She had just got back from a parade. Doesn't she look amazing? She rocks. Love you, Sam. This is the part of the job that took the most time. Remember when I got the Mustang hung up on the U-Haul trailer? The trailer had snagged the pipe and bent it back. Now I have to bend it back into shape. Feel free to laugh as you watch me try different strategies for bending this exhaust pipe back into shape. At least I'll have the satisfaction of having the last laugh. So the Boss Shinoda is finally put back together. And at the last minute. Today is likely to be the last decent day of the year, such that tomorrow and the day after is going to plunge into freezing temperatures. I've spent a considerable amount of time working on restoring this car, but I think it was well worth the effort. I appreciate those of you who have followed me on this journey. I hope that you have enjoyed watching these videos as much as I have enjoyed making them. Until next time, take care.